I know. We haven't posted in a while.
You know how to use that thing, dear?
Just a little bit.
Well, it's a little saw. All right, let's see it. All right, so we're back. We know we haven't posted in a while, and we don't have excuses, but we're going to give you a reason why and when, dear.
Well, so keep an eye out. On Friday, we have a video coming out that's going to tell you guys all about what has been going on with us in the last couple weeks.
So much excitement.
So much excitement, out of our plan.
That's right.
And we are here back in our old stomping ground where we used to live.
And it's sort of turning to be fall, and we're with a neighbor of ours down here, and we decided we'd help her haul some firewood for a little bit.
At least let the kids help her out.
I can direct them.
Put them to work.
That's right. So, well, thanks for not forgetting about us. We haven't forgot about you guys out there, and we'll see you on Friday.